Hello guys, welcome again. This is your one-stop channel for everything data. Okay, so in the previous video, if you followed us, we worked on this interactive dashboard for people building their first interactive dashboard. We worked on this, and this was really easy and straightforward to work on. But if you missed the video, the link will be showing up now, and it will also be in the description box below. Okay, the next thing we want to do is to actually make this dashboard that we have created interactive, right? So let me show you something now. For example, say I want to see everything that happened by West. I'm going to hit on West, and you can see this. This is how everything is going to show. It's going to tell me the total sales made by West, the total units that they sold. It's going to show me, every single thing by just West. So this is everything we can see by interaction, interactiveness. But my problem is that, can you see all of these things were just highlighted? You can see that this is everything they sold, but it will just highlight what South did. This is everything Bob Brown did, but it will just highlight what Bob Brown sold in the South. Do you understand? And look at how this one looks. It doesn't really look okay. So in order to make this really interactive, we have to go to what? We have to go to the format pane. So in order to get to the format pane, you have to hit one visual. So click on one visual. Let's first make this normal. Okay. Click on any visual and the format is definitely going to show up. So click here and go to what? Edit interactions. Now, when you click on edit interactions, you see all of these things begin to come out. Now you don't have any reason to, make any changes or edits here because you don't even have an option to do that. You can only either stop the editing, which we don't want, or we're going to leave it the way it is, which is filter, which works great. Now, the ones I am talking about are for this highlight was what happened the first time. So we don't want highlight anymore. We want to do what? Filter. So that is why we call this cross-filtering. All right. So what we're learning here is the art of cross-filtering. So we're going to hit on this. So once we click anything here, it will filter by this. So we're also going to hit on filter for all of the visuals we want. So we're also going to hit on filter as against highlights because that was what we had, but we did not like it. So you're going to come to the next visual. You're going to filter this so that when you click anything here, this one would also show or would also filter. We're going to also filter here and filter here. The next thing is to click on the next visual, go filter here, and filter here. We don't need to filter anything in KPI and in our area chart. The last one is to hit here, which is our last, and we're going to what? Filter here, and filter here. And now we are done. The next thing you want to do now is to go back and click on this edit interaction so everything goes. Now, let us go back to our home. And this is where you see the beauty. So let us hit by everything by West. Let's see everything that happened in the West. Now, can you see the difference? This is what, unlike the way this pie chart was showing initially, can you see? This is a lot better, a lot easier to read, unlike what we saw at that point. This is what cross-filtering looks like. And you can see how interactive this made our dashboard look. Once you hit on anything, everything you're seeing there is like, now we are on North, and every single thing you're seeing in this whole dashboard is about North. So that is why you can see that this interactiveness that comes with Power BI is really beautiful and easy for you to actually look at your data or look at your visual and understand what it is talking about. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And again, if you want to work on this project, do not forget to go to the description box below. The link to the project is there. It was a very interesting one to work on. So I definitely urge you to work on it if you haven't, and then come back to learn how to cross filter. So Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and to like, to comment. Tell me what you want to see. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.